This simple habit can make you calm every day. Narrator gentle and warm tone. What if I told you that just one simple habit, done every day, could shift your entire mindset, calm your nerves, and help you navigate life with greater ease? Today, we'll uncover the power of one mindful practice that transforms your day, starting the moment you wake up. 1. The chaos we're all living in. From emails and texts to social media alerts and non-stop news, we're constantly stimulated. Visuals. B-roll of people glued to phones, stressed in traffic, overwhelmed at desks. Split screen showing chaos versus peace. Narrator. It's no wonder stress levels are at all-time highs. But here's the thing, the answer isn't more productivity. It's more presence. 2. The habit that changes everything is simple. It's free. It's timeless. Intentional breathing. Yes, deep, conscious breathing for just a few minutes each morning. Scientific backing. A Harvard study shows breath work reduces cortisol levels by up to 40%. Stanford's Neuroscience Institute links daily breathing with increased emotional regulation. Narrator. Breathing is the bridge between mind and body. It's the remote control to your nervous system. 3. How to practice this habit, your daily 5-minute routine. Here's a breakdown of how to make this a simple morning ritual. Minute 1. Ground yourself, sit comfortably or lie back, close your eyes. Acknowledge any stress without judgment. Minute 2. Breathe with intention. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 4 seconds, exhale for 6 seconds. Repeat this for 5 to 6 cycles. Minute 4. Mental reset. Ask, what do I need today? Set a one-word intention. Peace. Focus. Join minute 5. Smile softly and open eyes. Smile to shift physiology. Gently re-engage with your surroundings. Narrator. Even 5 minutes of this can rewire how you show up for your entire day. 4. Why this works so well in America. Tour de 5. We live in the age of digital urgency. But your body doesn't know the difference between a stressful email and a real threat. This habit fights against chronic digital overload, anxiety from unpredictability, fatigue from overstimulation. Narrator. Imagine facing life with calm confidence, not reacting, but choosing. That's the power of one mindful habit. Real people. Real calm. Case story. Madison, 29. Seattle. I thought I needed to change everything about my life to feel better. But it turns out, I just needed to breathe and be consistent. Case story. Daniel, 45. Miami. 5 minutes every morning has made me a better dad and leader. I'm more grounded than ever. Visuals. B-roll of people meditating peacefully before and after. Imagery of stress versus ease. 6. Common mistakes and easy fixes. Mistake 1. Skipping it when you're too busy. Fix. Pair it with brushing your teeth or morning coffee. Mistake 2. Trying to be perfect at meditation. Fix. Focus on presence, not performance. Mistake 3. Using your phone first. Fix. Place your phone in another room or use airplane mode overnight. Narrator. Consistency beats complexity. Don't make it harder than it needs to be. 7. Extend the calm throughout your day. At breath breaks before meetings. Practice box breathing during traffic. Wind down with deep breaths before sleep. Narrator. Your breath is always with you. Use it as your anchor. 8. Start small. Stay strong. Forming habits takes patience, but this one gives back immediately. Tips to stay on track. Use a habit tracker app. Invite a friend to join you in the practice. Record a voice memo of your favorite breathing guidance. Narrator. 5 minutes of presence beats a full day of panic. Choose your calm. 9. Your calm is contagious when you ground yourself. You influence those around you. Kids feel safer. Partners respond with ease. Work becomes more collaborative. Narrator. The ripple starts with you. Calm is powerful and it spreads. 10. Call to action. Like if you're ready for a calmer life, subscribe to Tranquility Insights for more calming routines. Comment, when will you start your 5-minute breathing habit? Download our 5-minute calm morning habit guide, link in description. Narrator closing. This is your reminder, calm isn't something you find, it's something you create, and it starts with one simple breath.